today, so I'm going to be talking to the camera and I'm going to be talking to you, so just ignore it. So today what I'm going to be showing you is how I use, how I use technology in the classroom. One of the ways I do that is by using slides and by using different things for points. So like today, for what our school does is we use Peagles. So when kids are showing good behavior, what we do is, it's called Peagles because we're the Prairie Eagles. If they show you good behavior, like show good behavior, stop. They're at a level 0, they're crisscross looking at me. They get a Peagle, and it's nice because the smart board, you are able to touch it and move it. So that's one way I use technology, is by giving them points on the board so that they can visually see it and see where they're at. So one thing I also do is I'm a science teacher, so I use slides constantly. That is what I do all day, every day. It keeps me on task, and I have everything just right here, and it's nice because you can make it one year and then it just be used every single year. So Google Slides is a way that I use technology in the classroom. So I'm going to show you how I do that today. So my friends, on this screen, I'm going to point to a letter and you are going to sound it out. Ready? What sound does this letter make? On. Now you're ready, Bailey. And it's nice because now I can just change the slide and go to the next one that I'm doing. Start! And it's nice now that I can just switch the slide and we go to the next thing. Let's sound out this next word. Ready? Go. What sound does this letter make? Ta. 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 See, I'm just switching slides. And it's also nice because... Oh, start! Level 0. It's also nice because there's a pen feature right here on Google Slides with the smart board. So you can write on it. So class, let's show them how we sound out a word. Ready? What sound does this letter make? And you have the option to erase it. All right. So, let's go. Ready? Let's sound it out. What sound is this? Oh, you gotta wait for me. We're gonna do it together, okay? Sound it out. Ready? Go. Remember the P does not say P. I don't hear a U in there. Now we're going to erase it, go to the next slide. Google Slides is my absolute favorite thing because everything is just right here, ready to go, and you have it for the next year. All right, sound it out. Here we go. Set. Make sure you are saying all the letter sounds. We are doing this so that we are able to sound out and read. All right, on your book, go to the cover. So they have a physical copy of the book, and I also have it on the board so they can follow along. Show me a 0. Oh my gosh, Aiden's at a 0. Thiago's at a 0. Oliva and Isabel are at a 0. Point to this word right here. We are going to sound it out and read it. Turn the page. I know. Ooh, who remembers what letter or what sound this letter makes in the sight word? S. It's the word has. What is this word? Gerald, eyes on me. Point to has. On your book, point to the word has. Now point to the word he. He. All right. Level 0. Remember, we get Peagles with level 0 following directions. All right, turn the page to this page. You'll see a mom on the page. I'm going to call on somebody to come up here and circle the sight word has. Who's going to come up here and circle the sight word has? Somebody that is at a level 0, somebody that is eyes on me. So what I also like to do is make this interactive because they like to touch the board as well. So let's see. I'm going to call on Royal. Circle the sight word has. Did she find the sight word has? Yeah! Excellent. Now let's read this together. Let's sound it out. Keep reading. Uh-oh. I don't know what that... Listen, I don't know what that word says. So let's sound it out. What sound does the P make? Hot. Let's read it all together now that we know what it says. Mom has a hot. All right, turn the page. I'm going to call somebody to come up here and find a certain word.
Mami tiene una olla.
Who's going to come up here and find the sight word has and circle it? Somebody that is crisscross out of level 0. Eyes on the board. Who's going to come circle our sight word has? Isabel. Good job. All right. Uh-oh. All right. Sound out. Uh-oh. I don't know what this word says, so guess what I have to do?
Sound it out.
Sound it out. How do we sound it out? By going by each letter and sounding it out. Ready? Start. Naomi. Sound it out. Here we go. What sound does the T make? Tom. Bag. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at it. Swelly at level 0 crisscross. Naomi. We are focused. We are reading. All right, turn the page. Letter B. Come on, Jake, sit on the carpet. Your page should look like mine. Look at your partners and make sure that their page looks like your page. Dream. Tamajane. Okay. I have eyes on. Ooh, remember we get pickles if we do the right thing. Start. Remember, we all have to work as a team to get a star. Or to get a pickle. Ooh. Uh-oh. Jason, I don't know what this word says. Let's sound it out. Ready? Wait, Bailey, we're sounding this first word out. Listen. Tom. Let's keep reading and sound it out. Oh, what sound does the A make? Let's try that again. Sat. Stool. When words have a picture above, you can look at the picture to figure out what the word says. I know. All right. Turn, or not turn the page, but go to the next page. Now I'm using my screen to go to the next slide.
You're going to tell nobody to come up there and circle.
I know. Somebody's going to come up to the board and find the sight word he. And circle it. Somebody that is crisscross at a level 0, eyes on the board. Let's see. I'm going to choose Reginald. You want to find the sight word he? Show me the best level 0 you've ever shown me, ever. Now, we are going to read, what does this say? Uh-oh. This is why we don't guess. This is not the sight word has. Not sit. Let's sound it out. Ready? He sat and sat. Let's read it. Let's read it all together. Ready? Since we already know what it says. Excellent. Use your brains. You guys are amazing readers. Turn the page. I'd like somebody to come up to the board and find the letter that says aw and circle it. Somebody that is level 0, eyes on the board, they're going to come up to my board and circle the letter that says aw. Gerald, come find the letter that says aw. Circle it. Yeah, what letter says aw? And kiss your brains. All right. Uh-oh. Man, I don't know what this word says. Guess what we have to do? Sound it out. Here we go. Sound it out. Pop. Let's read it. Pop. 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 Somebody's going to come up here and find the sight word like. Somebody that is crisscross, somebody that is at a level 0, somebody that is eyes on me. Let's see. Remember, you got to get a level 0. Mayana, come find the sight word like. Did she find light? It was an accident. She's okay. All right. Uh-oh. I know a few words in here, but not right, this is the last page. Let's read it like absolute reading champions. Here we go, Mayana. Let's read it all together. Uh-oh. I don't know this word. Let's sound it out. What sound is it? Uh-oh. Mayana, have a seat. That does not say two. I like it as well. Sound it out. Ready? Mom. Kiss your brain. I like it. Mom. All right. Star. Oh my God, Adi, give me a star. Iago, give me a star. It's okay. It's the last page. Mayana. All right, you can pause it.